Hello, in this Visual Basic programming tutorial, we are going to take a look at the hash table together. So the hash table is a collection which allows you to store data in a sort of key value pair system. So what that means is you provide a key, which is like a unique way of accessing the value. The data doesn't have to be unique, it's the key that has to be unique. So let's dive right into it. So to create one, you just do dim. Now you name it, so I'll just call it hash table equals new hash table. So we're just creating an object of the class. And now, put a semicolon. Okay, so now to actually add something to the hash table, it's actually pretty simple. Just do the name of the hash table, or the name of the variable I should say, dot add, and this takes two parameters I think you can get. The first parameter is the key, the second parameter is the value. So I'm just going to put 1, and I'm just going to put the word 1 next to it. You can put whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. And I'll do 5 in total, but you can add as many as you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, and finally 5, like so. Okay, so there's a few cool things that we can do with this. So first of all, let's just print out some of the values. So if we do console.writeLine, and in here we could put hash dot, and we could get a few different ones. So we could we can, what am I looking for? Sorry, I've just my mind has gone blank for a second. Sorry, to get a value we put brackets like that, and then we put like the key. So if we put like, I don't know, 2, and run this, it prints out 2. So that's pretty cool. Let's say you would print out each individual one. We can luckily use a for each loop, so because it's very similar to an array, so we can just loop over it very easily. So we just do for each, and then we'll put key in and we need to put the name of the table, and then dot keys. So this will get all of the keys, and you'll just loop over and just get each individual key. Once you've got each individual key, we can literally copy this, paste it here, and just replace this with key. And now if we run it, it prints them out all one by one afterwards as well. So okay, that's pretty cool. There's some other really cool functions that we can use in hash tables as well. So what we can do is do a if statement, and we could do something like hash dot contains key or contains value. So let's do contains key, so we can check if it contains a particular key. So let's say if we put, I don't know, 3 for example. So if it contains a particular key, we'll do console.writeLine, and I'll just put yes, it contains this key. What I'll also do is put an else, and this will just be console.writeLine. No, it doesn't contain this key. No, it doesn't contain this key. Save it. If we run it, and it says yes, it contains this key. Let me change it. So 43, that's clearly not a valid key in our hash table. Run it, say no, it doesn't contain this key. There's like a bunch of other methods that you can use as well. So if you just put hash dot, you can see all of the different ones. You can count how many values there are. You can do not just contains key, contains value as well. So that is really cool. What I'll do is provide a link to all of the different functions that you can utilize on hash tables. And as an extra task, I recommend that you pick out a few cool ones and just experiment. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.